Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? We got some new in 22 from CRKT. I probably couldn't do that again if I tried, but I know I'm going to butcher this. We've got something so new from James Williams that it's really cool. The Inazuma No Ken. I am so sorry if I butchered that pronunciation, not trying to offend anybody. Now before we get too much further into this thing, this blade comes with a lot of things in there. We've got the deadbolt system. We've got CRKT's assisted opening. And, as they usually do, they want you to take a look at one of their products, and this one is the Parasol Survival Bracelet designed by Ken Onion. I'll probably never bring that to my channel, so there you go. Alright, now I have brought a lot of stuff from James Williams to the channel before. I'm going to leave a card right up there for every single everyday carry blade I've ever brought. You can find some great self-defense items in there from him. But here is the brand new. Now, I know a lot of his stuff looks the same. Okay, it's got the same overall feel, the same inspiration, and the same design. I get it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Just twerk it a little. Alright? It's got a great, feel in the hand. And there's so much stuff crammed into this guy for a folder. If you want... Oh, man, sorry, breakfast burritos. Woo-wee. I know I'm going to get someone bitching about that in the comments, but I don't care. If you want a great self-defense tool that's all-encompassing and deploys quickly, here's a great option for you. Okay, now the name translates to lightning sword. And I get it because look at that deployment. It's just bam, ready to go. Alright, let's get into the stats and all the other fun stuff like we usually do. It's got an overall length to it of about 8.625. The blade's about 3.625 with a cutting surface of 3.59. Now remember, it's got that weird look to it, okay? But still, closed, it's right about 5 inches, and it comes in at a weight of about 6.20 ounces. It does have a plain edge, as you can see, with a flat grind. Now, they call it a Tanto style, but I think it's that Osakura. God, that's the name that's sticking in my head. But it's modeled after an ancient samurai sword. Most of his blades have that look to it in one form or another. So forgive me if I butchered that or got that part wrong, but that's the name that's really coming to head. Even though they call it Tanto, that's an aggressive, massive, wow, elongated front edge Tanto. It does have the black stonewash finish on it. You guys know how much I love stonewash, but make it a black stonewash, done son, put it in the cart, we're good to go. D2 steel is your steel of choice on this one. Now, yeah, it's got the assisted opening with the IKBS system to kind of help speed that up a little bit, and it has the deadbolt lock. Now, I really suggest going to that right there, crkt.com/deadbolt, because they're going to explain those plates and everything else to you. That locking mechanism is really one of the most solid mechanisms, I think, on the planet, period. There is a stainless steel frame, and with the deadbolt, you have to push that button right there, and you're going to see that plate move. That means you can shut it. So, remember, right there. You can do this left or right hand carry. It's got to be tip up. We do have a lanyard hold down here, which I think is great for a fast deployment out of your pocket. And yes, it is made in Taiwan. I've seen some sites say China, but we've got Taiwan right there on the box. Alright, let's do some cut tests on this guy. Now, we're usually only going to do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do the cut tests. Heavy duty stock paper. Yeah, let's do that. And granted, it's meant for basic. Okay, I'll take that. Just to straight down. It's basically meant for stabbing and slashing, but yeah. I think the paper's just coming to the end of its usefulness because it's just tearing all over the place with little itty bitty bits. But still, I'm not really seeing a lot of snowfall on the blade. No, not really. Okay. Oh, I hate this one with a passion. Last one I filmed, remember? Smack my thumb. But still. I hate you, Bill Rivers. Alright, pull. Seriously? That turned into more of a slice. Let's go with the slice. Not too bad. You know, I'm not in the mood to smack my thumb again, so meh. Alright, as I promised before, he'd be back, and Mr. Ratchet Strap is here to join us to get stabbed. Not bad. Alright, let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. Not really seeing anything. A little bit right there. But other than that, pretty clean. Okay, so I did the homework on this guy on March 7th, 2022. And I'm currently filming this video at March 8th, 2022. So those prices are current as of March 7th. I looked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, basically it's $120, $119.99. CRKT, a flat $120. And on Amazon, $129.99. Has not been reviewed across the board. Like I said, it's really, really brand new from Mr. Williams. Okay, now we are at the best part of the video for me. Seriously, every time I do one of these reviews, this is my favorite part. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? I have been carrying it since I had it. Well, since I bought it, it's replaced the Gerber Sedulo for me for my choice for everyday carry. I love this thing. The fast deployment, everything else, I'm going to have to touch it up here in a little bit because I did not like that paracord test or, I don't know, some of the heavy-duty stock paper. But still, like I said, it's designed more for put it in somebody to get them away from you. Okay. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do anything during the video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and show support for the channel, which I am truly indebted to all of you for. Thank you for coming along for this glorious ride that I've been on so far. I'm glad that at some points I can bring you some entertainment. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options on YouTube, and I am eternally grateful that you chose my channel. Seriously, I know there's a lot of options. Thank you for picking me. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can implement that into a future video. After you've done all that fun stuff, please, look right down here. It's all free. I know I'm asking a lot, but it's free. Look right down there. In a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you have knocked that out of the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love coming to YouTube for, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Inazuma No Ken. God, I hope I got that right. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone's having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.